remember what we said. Remember what we said, that the first time we are modeling, we are going to do using local modeling. Local modeling is when we have like we model, but not in that actual modeling, but it is like modeling in symbols. We just look at it and get to know that is a table, that is a tree, without putting text tags. So now, if we have this as our cube, but we know how to put in a cube. So let's say we come here and add, but we first have to look here and see that we are in the object mode. So if we add, go there to add, then we go to mesh and add a cube, which is already there. So remember what we said, that now the next thing is we look at our axes here. Okay? So if we do this, I see that. But another thing that you should know, when I use this, I see that. So it is playing, yet we are modeling. So we would want to allocate this button another function, so which is search. So if we come here and we press edit, then preference, then from preference we go to key map. Then from key map we go to, we come somewhere here and look for space bar action. Then instead of playing and tools, we click search. Then after that we close it. So the moment we press it, it presses search. So that Bosanga software it is not, when you press the space bar it does not play, but it searches. You just have to go to the other side and change it. So now if we are doing this, we just do this. Yes, remember S is a property, that is scale. And remember that in Blender when we are scaling, if I pull up, it goes and it comes out from this side. So you're not containing, you have to be containing it, say like that. Okay? It does not overgo unless you want it. Take it. Then if you do something and you over exaggerate it, it will reach a time where you cannot see it properly. So you have to contain something within. So you have to make sure that you do something that is proportionate to your screen. Because if it is too big, it will make like that. However much you scale it. But if you duplicate it, it is too big, what that you cannot see from the other side. So unless you are congruent, you are modeling something that requires specific what? Centimeters. Because if I press here, over, if I press N, are you seeing this arrow here? Are you seeing it is giving you scale? So I can scale it from here. Are you seeing? So it is the same as you just selecting it and you press S. Okay? Are you seeing that? You get it? So you may find that someone may scale it just here with just scaling here. He just comes and puts the dimensions. He does what he wants. Let's take it. Then that when we are scaling towards the z-axis, I mean x, are you seeing? So we are scaling in what direction? So if it is rotation, are you seeing? So we have these properties that we have here that are basically rotation, location, scale, and dimension. So dimension is almost like scaling. Then we go back here. So it is almost what? The same. Right? So then besides that, if if that is what we have, now let us first forget, like as if this one is not around. Okay? We first did that and concentrate on understanding this. So if we press scale, so which direction are we heading to? Do we want a uniform scale? Like this. When Photoshop you click out with the other lower versions. In standard versions you're going to use out. See what you do? So it means that we can scale this. Okay? We can scale that down. So, but before we scale it, we have to give it what? Direction. If we are scaling it, you get it? So we have to give it direction. Unless we want to scale it uniformly so that it becomes smooth. That is when we do this without direction, but let's assume it was like that. So if we press S, then we say, remember the scale, the directions. This is Z as you see it here. So if I press Z, are you seeing? Now I see the line of what? Z. So however much I'm pulling the other side, it is scaling towards that what? Instead of going the other side, you get it. Then the same thing, if I press again S, then I choose that, which is that axis. Are you seeing here? It is already showing you. That is X. Are you seeing that? So that is how we have to do it. So you could try it out.